Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I want to talk to you about using web safe fonts. So this video was inspired by a recent critique I have made for this website, and as you can see they use very decorative font for their titles, menu, all of the content font apart from the promos. So all of the titles of the collections, product descriptions, product titles, they use very decorative font. And if you know how much Google values user experience and web accessibility, you know that decorative font that is difficult to read is considered as negative user experience because it makes your font and your text and your website content not accessible to all readers, especially those that are visually impaired. If your content is considered not accessible, your website might be considered as discriminating some of the users, which can actually work against your SEO. So, in order to comply with Google's requirements, the best font to stick to is a sans serif font. There's a number of web safe fonts, and sans serif is the safest. And underneath this video you've got a link to Wikipedia list of all sans serif fonts. So as you can see, they're very easy to read. Arial is obviously the classic example of web safe, clear to read, sans serif font. All of those other, you can choose more decorative to choose your to suit your branding. So obviously there's plenty of fonts to choose from, so make sure to stick to this list. Don't pick any decorative font for your main website content. You can use decorative font for like short taglines within the promo images, but by all means stick away from any decorative font for the main website titles, main body font, and so on. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click like underneath this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SEO, marketing, and website optimization tips. Thank you so much. Bye bye.